Welcome! In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Watch 8 and I'm gonna show you how to adjust the sound volume on this watch. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by tapping on the screen or by pressing the upper button. And once you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you can swipe up on the screen to open the menu. Now, scroll through the menu and look for the settings icon. And once you find it, tap on it. In settings, look for the option called sounds and vibration. And once you find it, select it. And here, look for the option called volume. This option. I recommend to turn on the sound so you can hear the changes, and then select the volume option. And here we have different types of volume. We have ringtone, media, notification, system, and AI assistant, and you can adjust all of them. First, let's adjust ringtone. Then you can swipe right on the screen, do the same for media, notifications, system sounds, and the AI assistant. And once you're done adjusting the volumes, you can press the back button a couple of times to go back to watch face. And that's how you adjust the sound volume on the watch, but you can also do it in the phone application if your watch is paired with a phone. So I'm gonna bring my phone right here. That's paired with our watch, of course. Zoom out the camera so you can see the whole screen of the phone, like this. And on the phone that is paired with our watch, we can open the Galaxy Wear application. In the app, we can tap on watch settings. And here we can tap on sounds and vibration, then tap on volume, of course. And we have volume sliders, and we can adjust volume by swiping on each one. Oh, my bad. There was also the AI assistant. Okay. And once you're done adjusting, of course, you can close the application. And that's how you adjust the sound volume on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.